Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training. Are you trying to get rid of your bat wings? You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's that extra stuff here. Well, then I have the workout for you. It's gonna be fun. You got some exercises that are really gonna help tighten and tone your arms. They're gonna look so sexy. So let's get to it. Alrighty, we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 4 different exercises that are really gonna help you tighten and tone your arms. So first set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these arm exercises, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them, less talking on my part, more doing on yours. So grab some water. This will all be standing, by the way, or sitting, whatever you prefer, so no need to get down on the ground. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna burn your arms, so let's do it. Let's get started with exercise number 1. Alrighty, exercise number 1, we have IYTs or YITs or TYIs, whatever you prefer. It's 3 different shoulder arm movements I will demonstrate for you this way. We just want to stand, knees slightly bent. We're gonna be hinged forward. We're gonna focus on putting our arms to 3 movement patterns. The I, we're just gonna lift our arms straight overhead right here. We're gonna go Y, 45-degree angles here. And then the T, we are just gonna be opening up just like that. I'll do this side for you, 30 seconds on, and here we go. So I, right here, Y, and then T. Really try to extend and keep your arms as extended as they can, just like that. We're gonna feel it all up in your shoulders, in your arms, back of your arms, your triceps, all of it. So this is a really great movement. You can go as fast or as intentional as you'd like, but as long as you are stretching and really reaching with your fingertips, you'll be set. Let's do one more. And done. Great job. Moving right into exercise number 2. We have arm pulses. You're just gonna really target your triceps. Again, stand, knees unlocked right here. Slight bend over. We're gonna reach with our fingertips, palms facing up. We're gonna try to extend past our pockets and really focus on staying right here. We're just gonna do these small, gentle arm pulses, 30 seconds. And here we go. Again, make sure you are reaching back, really extending. You're gonna feel it all up in your tricep here, maybe in your shoulders. You don't need to go like crazy, just small, gentle movements, but try not to drop them because that releases some of the tension. We wanna stay right up in here. Keep that constant tension. Make sure you're breathing. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out those arms because we are not done yet. We have standing Superman in that same position. Most of these actually are going to be probably in this bent over position like this. Flat back, core tight. We're going to be doing Superman. So we want our arms extended past our ears. And all we're focusing on is bringing and driving those elbows back in a straight line. You're going to feel a pinch back here in your shoulder blades and really focus on the tension. You're gonna feel all up in here. It's gonna be great. 30 seconds. Here we go. So really reach and pull them back just like that. Try to keep that angle. Try not to like drop it down here or anything here. Just really reach. Fight against gravity. Let's get rid of those bat wings. Here it is. We're almost done with this exercise. Really reach forward, really squeeze, right here. Couple more seconds, here we go. 3, 2, squeeze, and drop. Great job. My arm's already tired, but we have 1 more exercise. Overhead press. Come on, you thought I was gonna do an arm exercise without overhead presses? Come on, here we go. Stand up nice and tall, deep breath, 30 seconds. Arms 90 degrees, and just push right above, just like this. You're gonna feel it all up in here. You can, if your shoulders hurt, I know like I used to have like some, like a pinched nerve and that kind of stuff, you can do a 45-degree angle. Right here, you don't have to be as square to your body like this, overhead, or you can go right here. That is perfectly fine too, whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is we just wanna get these pulses, really press overhead. You're gonna feel it all up in this back area. Get as high as you can, right above. So 2 more, and done. Great job. Shake out your arms. Who cares if you look weird? Because we really want to get rid any of that pain, just flail around because we have 2 more sets to go. Grab some water. Set number 2. Set number 3 coming your way. You know exactly what you're doing. We got these 4 exercises. I know your arms are burning, but hey, if you want to get rid of that, we got to put in the hard work. So here we go. Set number 2. IYTs in 3, 2, 1. Arm pulses in 3, 2, 1. All right, standing Superman in 3, 2, and 1. Overhead press in 3, 2, and 1. There it is, set number 2 done. My arms are tired. Almost done. 1 more set to go. All right, get serious. This is where it happens. This is where you're made. Set number 3, here we go. IYTs in 3, 2, 1. Arm pulses in 3, 2, 1. All right, standing Superman in 3, 2, and 1. Overhead press in 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. That's how you get rid of your bat wings with these 4 simple fat burning exercises. I hope you loved it as much as I did. Go ahead, click the notification bell just so that you are aware whenever we drop these type of videos for you. We are here for you, so please leave comments. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. We want to hear from you and we will respond back. I'm Coach Greg, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.